Okay, so today we're going to cook a paella. This is one of our new dishes at Cosmo Restaurant. We're going with our bomba paella rice, imported from Spain. The Spanish extra virgin olive oil. So sofrito is a tomato-based sauce we use in our paella. It's made up of onions, garlic, capsicum, some squid, and we cook it down slowly. And we let the rice and everything just come together. Make it dance a little bit on the stove. Okay, so sofrito is our main base of flavor for the paella. We've got saffron, paprika. To that we're going to add a piccata. This is not classic in a seafood paella, but it's basically roasted almonds, parsley, and roasted hazelnut. Adds a nice umami nuttiness to the dish. And then we're going to go in with 5 ladles of stock. Give it a little shake. Let the rice and the stock balance out. We're going to simmer that then for 4 minutes. We keep turning the pan as we cook it so it cooks evenly everywhere. You can see this area is simmering, this one slow. And keep tasting as we're going through to build layers of flavour. So 80% of your seasonings in your base, and the last 20% comes in the reduction. Local tiger prawns, that's steamed clams, Italian mussels that we've steamed a little bit, and then we're going to put that in the oven. So one of the most important things about a good paella is a really, really good rice. And here at the Naihan we import bomba rice from Spain. It's a special rounded grain rice, especially for paella. Okay, so that's been in the oven for about 14 minutes. We take it out. We just taste a little bit of the rice. That's cooked, it's beautiful, it's ready. Then we're just going to finish it with a little bit of chopped parsley just for colour. There we go. Our seafood paella here at the Naihan.